the situation, Andrew. You're walking my trade. You're going to see that I have curbed my alloy wheels, at least two of them, okay? What I want you to do, without ever saying a bad word about my car, is I want you to lower my expectations for it. I want you to increase the value of your vehicle, and I want you to set up the finance department, okay? And if you get stuck, I'll prompt you, all right? I shouldn't have to prompt you, though. Is he in the picture?
Can't see it.
Oh, you can't see it.
Yeah.
All right, so we're walking around my car, Andrew, and you see that I've got some curb rash on a couple of my wheels.
Steve, thank you so much for coming to Galvin. It's a pleasure to meet you. And I noticed that a couple of your wheels have been a little bit scratched, but it's a beautiful vehicle. Just wanted to let you know that with whatever vehicle you choose today, we have the Motor Trend warranties that will cover wheel scratches and other benefits that other dealerships just don't have, and that we are offering through Motor Trend. We will send someone to your home, or you can come to our dealership and we will fix them for you at no cost.
Andrew, ask me if I curbed my wheels going through a fast food restaurant or a drive-through bank.
And Steve, how did you scratch up your wheels?
Fast food restaurant, a drive-through bank.
Going through McDonald's, I'm assuming.
It was McDonald's, as a matter of fact, yes.
Why?
Don't you just hate that, huh? You
Say
can't
again?
see those curbs. You can't see those curbs.
Well, no, I didn't see these curbs, that's for sure. Why? Why do you ask?
Well, it happens to me all the time as well. I think it happens to everyone going to a drive-through. It's like
Yeah?
you're getting hot food for your family, and shucks, you hit your wheel, and then you get home and you see, oh my God, how much is this going to cost?
Where is this conversation going?
Yeah.
Steve, did you happen to look into what it would cost to get these wheels fixed?
Let's build a report. Steve, have you looked into the cost of getting these wheels fixed?
No, I didn't. I didn't even think about that.
Well, most people don't really think about it, but at the time of trading in your vehicle, it is going to cost.
Steve, it would be about $100 to $150 to fix these things.
Steve, it's going to be between $120, $150 to fix.
Whoa,
Have you thought about that?
no, I didn't.
It's either going to cost you now or it's going to cost you in the long term.
Wait a minute, Steve. You might have coverage that'll fix these wheels at no cost to you, making your car worth a whole lot more.
Steve,
He'll never get that. Andy will never get that excited.
you should realize.
Don't do it the way I did it. Use the words,
You should
though.
realize that you probably have coverage to get these wheels fixed.
I don't. Do I have coverage?
Yes, you do.
I do?
For a full.
No, 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 no. Do you have any, Steve, you might have coverage that'll fix these wheels at no cost to you, making your car worth more. Say those words. Steve, you might have coverage that'll fix these wheels at no cost to you, making your car worth more.
Steve, you might have coverage to fix these wheels, giving you more value to your vehicle.
How so?
Because you have the.
No, did you buy a
Did you
cosmetic
buy-
wheel repair
Did
policy?
you buy a cosmetic wheel repair polish?
I didn't even know there was such a thing.
Most people don't.
Okay. Now, just be real simple. That's too bad, Steve. However, you'll be glad to know, and then go into what I get with then talk about what I get with your car.
That's too bad, Steve, to hear. But did you know that with our Motor Trend warranties, you do get that coverage? If you happen to scratch up your wheels, lose a key fob, we will replace it or fix. We will
One at a time. One at a time.
We will fix your wheel scuffs, either at your home, or you can bring it to our dealership, and we'll get
It don't
payment for you to bring it in, and we can.
All right, give Andrew a hand for the abuse I've given him. Okay? Okay, and, look.